Moroi Makadini Tinokuchingamidzai pa Shonaland. Hi, how are you? Welcome to Shonaland. Today we are going to have a lesson on plurals, what we call Huwandu in Shona. Thank you very much if you are joining us again on this video, and if you are new, please we kindly ask you to subscribe, click on the notification bell and drop a like if you like this video. Let's get started with today's lesson. Types of plurals. Huwandu. For the purposes of today's lesson, we have categorized our Shona plurals into three categories. These are words that we are going to add a prefix on so that they can be a plural, and words that will change when they are turned into a plurals. Mainly these are the words that we are going to change probably the first consonant or one letter on the word so that it can be a plural, and then we have got words that will not change at all whether it is a singular or it is a plural. So let's get started with the first category. These are the words that changes. We have got a tree, muti, trees, miti. Muti for tree and miti for trees. As you can see, the word there is mu-ti and it changed to mi-ti. Let's use these words in sentence. They planted an avocado tree. Vakadyara muti wemu avocado. They cleared all the trees by the river. Vatema miti yose yaiva parwizi. Person, munhu. People, vanhu. The singular word there is munhu, meaning person, and the plural is vanhu, meaning people. So let's use these in sentences. We only need one person. Tiri kuda munhu mumwe chete. People are walking in groups. Vanhu vanga vachifamba muzvikwata. Farm, munda. Farms, minda. Munda for farm and minda for farms. They irrigated the farm. Vadiridza munda. They were harvesting wheat farms. Vanga vachikowa minda yegorosi. Bread, chingwa. Bread, zvingwa. Chingwa for singular bread and zvingwa for plural bread. Go and buy a loaf of bread. Enda unotenga rofu rechingwa. We need 5 loaves of bread. Tanga tichida zvingwa zvishanu. House, imba. Houses, dzimba. The singular word for house there in Shona is imba, and the plural for house, houses, is dzimba. I own one house in this compound. Ndiri muridzi weimba imwe chete muno. My father built all these houses. Baba vangu vakavaka dzimba dzose idzi. Rock, dombo. Rocks, matombo. Now we are on the second category, the words that we add a prefix to so that they can be a plural. As you can see here, the singular for rock in Shona is dombo, and if they are now rocks, it's matombo. The prefix that we have added there is ma. In most cases, when we add the prefix, the word in singular comes as it is, but sometimes the word slightly changes so that it makes sense when we accommodate the prefix. So in this case, it's rock, dombo, rocks, matombo. We touched the sacred rock. Tabata dombo rinoera. The places had rocks all over. Nzvimbo yacho yanga ine matombo pese pese. Bow, bora, bowls, mabora. In this case, the word bora came as it is, and we just added ma, the prefix ma, to say mabora. So singular bo, bora, plural bowls, mabora. Tendai bought a red bow. Tendai atenga bora dzvuku. They are kicking balls at the ground. Vanga vachikava mabhora kunhandare. Table, tafura. Tables, matafura. The prefix ma has been added to word tafura there to make it plural, matafura. So tafura for table, matafura for tables. Put the table outside. Isai tafura panze. Put the tables in the lorry. Isai matafura murori. Cup, komichi. Cups, makomichi. Ma has been added to komichi. Komichi is for cup, and when there are cups, it's now makomichi. We need one cup for the kid. Tirikuda komichi imwe chete ye mwana. Put the cups in the cupboard. Isai makomichi mukabati. Blanket, gumbeze. Blankets, magumbeze. Gumbeze for blanket, magumbeze for blankets. When it's hot, I only need one blanket. Kana kuchipisa, ndoda gumbeze rimwe chete. Pack all the blankets. Rongedzai magumbeze ese. The last category of words are words that will not change, whether it is a singular or it is a plural. And we have managed to come up with a few words again so that you guys can see what we are talking about. Water, mvura. Water, mvura. I want a glass of water. Ndirikuda komichi yemvura. As you can see, komichi, as we have highlighted earlier, komichi is singular. So here is one cup of water or one glass of water. And when it's now plurals, I want 5 glasses of water. It still remains as water. And so it is in Shona as well. Ndirikuda makomichi mashanu emvura. Car, motokari. Cars, motokari. I want to buy a car. Ndoda kutenga motokari. My mother owns 5 cars. Amai vangu vane motokari shano. The word motokari remains the same whether singular or plural. Idea, fungwa. Ideas, fungwa. I have an idea I want to share with you. Ndine pfungwa yandoda kukuudza. My ideas have been keeping this project going. Pfungwa dzangu dzakararamisa basa iri. Thank you very much for joining us today as we taught you plurals, or what we call words of Huwandu in Shona. Make sure you join us on the next video, as we are going to be teaching you more on Shona lessons so that you guys can learn how to speak Shona without any problems. See you next time.